And the numbers might actually surprise you, right? And today we are turning our attention specifically to the retail sector, where AI is not anymore just like trend, but it's a game changer. For instance, when a business introduce a chatbot, it might reduce support costs by up to 20%. Or if we look at the overall impact of the AI solutions in the business, especially, of course, in the retail domain, these solutions can contribute to an 8% increase in overall profits.
Every AI agent could be described by really simple terms. It's something like a black box which could make some decision based on entering information. You can see a lot of small subspheres on retail businesses could be covered exactly by AI agent.
As we can see within the examples of these big brand names, they really knew and they achieved their goals with the AI solutions.
In short, the answer will be, if your prototype doesn't work, you need to analyze why exactly it didn't work and to fix it.